now walking down to the train station, Houston, because we're going to see Grandad in Kildare. So
See ya.
see you, and I'll show you first the front of the train station. And now we're going to pass the Guinness. This is Guinness.
3, 1.
Going to pass the Guinness. Alright, that's for Manu. That's my place. On our way to Kildare. This is a very good time. Right, Sean? Having a good time, Sean?
Their attention please, on behalf of the Airman Air, we'd like to welcome you on board this, the 10:15 hours train. Houston Station, Dublin to Plunkett Station, Waterford. This train will go on to serve Kildare,
We got the first stop.
Innigeog, Kilkenny, Thomastown and Plunkett Station, Waterford. Due to arrive at Plunkett Station, Waterford at 18 minutes past 12. Would you please help us to help the HSE fight the spread of COVID-19? Please maintain social distancing on board, when boarding and alighting, and when travelling through the station. Please do not sit in areas designated to maintain social distancing.
And now Sean remembers his childhood time. Look, Sean is heading down there. Right, Sean, give us a wave. Come on. We're here now. Getting in. We're going to knock. Hello.
The head just got bigger. You want to try this one, Phoenix?
You play it, Phoenix, with dog. What can I say, Sean? It's grown up now, Sean. Look.
Yeah, it was always like that.
Yeah, it's so tall.
We actually chopped down a tree because it was going to split. And
She embarrasses me with recording that.
No, you like it, Sean. Sean is my partner in.
So that's
Only
embarrassing
Phoenix
when
is.
it goes on YouTube.
You like that one.
blue light.
Where is it, Sean?
My mom put light.
They're bonding with the cousin.
If you see how
Cousin. Come on, Sean, let's go on that side. There.
Dog light.
Put it on, Sean, to that.
It is on.
Alright. Do it nicely.
was broken in the middle. So let's say that this was the tree.
Hello, John.
Hi.
Alright. Yeah, my neighbor. Our neighbor here before. Sean, welcome back there, Sean.
It's another awkward moment.
Oh no! It's nice weather.
I'm 70. That tree is
No. Let's see how they ban each other as cousins.
my mom put me.
The chance used to get inside here
Why would I go in there?
before. Remember that?
I'll show a 12-year-old.
And now it's Catherine's turn. So this is the place where Sean and Phoenix used to play. My two boys. And now their cousin, Catherine, playing area.
Yeah, I don't really go out much.
Yeah.
I got that untangled.
Mommy, episode check. also check.
That is cool.
This is the park that Sean used to go when they were little. Right, Sean? But you don't have like this before. This kind of exercise. This kind of
We do
exercise.
have something like this in Lina's estate.
Yeah, but here before. They don't have like this before. This is the park here in Kildare, a children's park. There's lots of kind of machines. Come on, Catherine, come on. And lovely flowers here. It's nice to chill, especially look, that's a church there. It's nice to come here and have a chill during this summertime in a nice weather here in Kildare, a big space, and I'll show you more the playground. So let's have a look. I don't know what's the tower there. See. It's a big playground with a big place to it's more there. Shortcuts. I'm gonna what I'm going to say Catherine, see you in the Silk and Thomas. Hold on, say
Wait, what was it again?
Silk and Thomas, isn't it? We're going there to eat.
What?
We're going there to eat in Silk and Thomas.
Okay.
Yeah, say see you in the sun. Come on.
We're going to Sickle and Thomas to eat.
Say, see you. Bye. Just oh, it's open.
It's so real quick, isn't it?
You're all hungry. This is my wraps, chicken wraps, and Sean's. Which one you got?
I want to take that out. I don't want to take it out. This is what I did to him. This is what I did to him.
Put my flash on it.
Picture painter, Catherine.
This is all going to be scales.
Catherine Lavella. Oh,
Catherine Kerrigan.
Kerrigan. Good. And
I
Sean.
think I did good, actually, for a hedge and a fence.
Yeah.
The brilliant.
What are you doing? Make all up here sky
Mm.
with a little fluffy cloud.
Yeah. Right. And
That's the harbour in Cape Coral.
All up here's gonna be
where
nice blue.
the harbor is
And that's the harbour in there.
painted by the Grandad. Yeah,
That's the harbour.
and the other one here.
My mistakes.
That's the canal, the one in there, and that's the
And my
you
hands
see
are
the one in
covered
Cape Coral.
in
Or the sand, isn't it?
Yeah, this is kind of it. Oh,
Takes a bit of doing.
yeah. And the future ones.
They were done from sittings now. They come
Yeah.
out and actually put up a pedestal and stand up.
What? Down to? We're getting a train now in 10 minutes time. So we're going back to Dublin. So here we are in the Kildare train station. So I made the 3 teenagers.